Good morning, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Lucy. We're happy you're here.
Today, we practice morning routine English with technology.
Wake up, check your phone, get ready, then leave home.
And one real problem can happen: low battery.
Yes, your phone is low or dead.
But you can stay calm and know what to say.
Simple words, short sentences, real life.
Ready? Let's begin.
Mark, how are you this morning?
I'm okay. I'm a little sleepy.
Sleepy? That's normal. Did you wake up early?
Yes, I woke up early. How about you, Lucy? Are you tired too?
A little, yes. But I'm calm. What time do you usually wake up?
Usually at 6, sometimes at 5:30. And you? What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30. When you wake up, what is the first thing you do?
I check my phone.
You check your phone. Same here.
Can I say I check my phone first? Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. First is great. What do you check on your phone in the morning?
My alarm, and my messages, and notifications. Many notifications.
Many notifications. Wow.
Do you have many notifications too?
Sometimes, but I try to keep it simple. Do you use your phone as your alarm?
Yes, I do. My phone is my alarm. What about you? Phone alarm or clock alarm?
Phone alarm. And if you miss the alarm, what happens?
Oh no, I'm late. Can I say I'm late for work?
Yes, I'm late for work. Very useful. Okay, now let's move into our topic step by step. So today is morning routine with technology.
Yes, real life, not perfect.
Exactly. Real life mornings can be messy.
True, my morning is not perfect.
That's okay. Step by step. When you speak, you do not need big words.
Good, because my mind can go blank.
Yes, blank mind happens. No worries. We will use small, easy sentences.
And we will repeat words, right?
Yes, repetition helps your brain feel safe. Today we use these simple words: wake up, check, charge.
And phone, alarm, and charger.
Perfect. And we have one mini problem: low battery.
I know that problem.
Me too. Okay, now let's start with the first part of the morning. Okay, Mark, let's start. It's morning. Your alarm rings. What do you say?
I say, oh no.
Oh no, real life. Do you wake up fast or slow?
Slow, very slow. Can I say I wake up slowly?
Yes, I wake up slowly. Good job. What time is it when you wake up?
It's 6. Sometimes it's 5:30.
Great. It's 6. Simple.
How do I say 5:30? 5:30.
Yes, 5:30. That's correct. When the alarm rings, what do you do first?
First, I check my phone.
You check your phone, nice and clear.
Is check the same as look?
Good question. Look is just your eyes. Check means you look to get information. Example, I check the time, and I check my messages.
Oh, okay. So I check the time.
Yes, perfect. What do you check first on your phone?
I check the alarm. I turn it off. Can I say I turn off the alarm?
Yes, I turn off the alarm, or I stop the alarm. Both are okay.
I like stop the alarm. It feels strong.
Yes, the alarm is loud. After you stop the alarm, what do you check next?
I check my notifications.
Notifications, good word.
What does notification mean in simple words?
A notification is a small message on your screen. It says, you have something, like a message, an email, or an app update.
Oh, so it's like a little pop-up.
Yes, a little pop-up. Do notifications help you or stress you?
Stress me. Many notifications. Can I say, too many notifications?
Yes, too many notifications. And you can also say, it's too much.
It's too much. That's me.
No worries, step by step, let's practice 2 short lines. Ready?
Ready.
Say, I wake up early.
I wake up early.
Good. Now say, I check my phone.
I check my phone.
Great. Clear and simple.
Lucy, can I say, I wake up in the morning? Or is that weird?
It's not weird, it's correct. But you can keep it short. I wake up in the morning, or I wake up early.
Okay, short is better for me.
Yes, short helps when you feel nervous. One more. Do you get out of bed right away?
Not right away. I stay in bed. How do I say that? I stay in bed.
Yes, I stay in bed, or I stay in bed for 5 minutes.
I stay in bed for 5 minutes, maybe 10.
10 is honest. I like that. Okay, now we move to the middle of the morning.
The get ready part?
Yes, getting ready with tech, music, weather, and maps. Okay, Mark, now you get ready. What do you do after you get out of bed?
I go to the bathroom, then I wash my face.
Wash my face. Good.
Do I say I wash my face, or I wash my face off?
Say, I wash my face. Simple and correct. Then what?
I brush my teeth.
Great. Do you use your phone while you get ready?
Yes, I do. I play music. Can I say, I play music on my phone?
Yes. Perfect. What kind of music in the morning?
Something calm, not loud.
Calm music. Nice.
What about you, Lucy? Do you listen to music or silence?
Sometimes music, sometimes silence. Now, tech question. Do you check the weather?
Yes, I check the weather app. Is it okay to say weather app?
Yes. Weather app. Easy and modern. Why do you check the weather?
Because I need the right jacket.
Right jacket. Great reason.
Lucy, how do I say it is cold today? Or it's cold today?
Both. It is cold today is okay. It's cold today is more natural.
It's cold today.
Good job. Now let's add a small problem.
Uh-oh, the phone problem?
Yes, low battery. You check your phone. What do you see?
I see, low battery. Can I say, my battery is low?
Yes, my battery is low.
And if it is very low, like 1%?
Then you can say, my phone is almost dead. Or, my battery is almost dead.
Okay, what is the difference between low and dead?
Great question. Low means you still have power, like 20%, 10%, 5%. Dead means no power, 0. The phone turns off.
Oh no, dead is 0.
Yes, dead is 0.
So I can say, my phone is dead.
Exactly. And you can also say, my phone battery is dead.
My phone battery is dead.
Perfect.
What do I do next? I need my phone.
Yes, you need your phone. What do you need right now?
I need my charger.
Great. I need my charger.
Lucy, can I say charger or phone charger?
Both. Charger is okay. Phone charger is more clear.
I need my phone charger.
Nice. Where's your charger usually?
Usually near my bed. But today, I can't find it.
Oh no, you can't find it.
Is I can't find it the same as I can't see it?
Not exactly. I can't see it means it is in front of you, but you do not see it. I can't find it means you look, but you do not know where it is. Example, I can't find my charger.
Okay, I can't find my charger.
Good.
What can I say if I find it?
You can say, I found it, or here it is.
Here it is. Yes.
Great. Now you find your charger. You plug it in.
Plug it in. Can I say I plug in my phone?
Yes. I plug in my phone. Or I plug in the charger.
What is plug in simple words?
Plug in means connect to power. You put the charger into the wall. Then the phone starts to charge.
So charge is the verb.
Yes. Charge is the verb. My phone is charging.
My phone is charging.
Good job.
Lucy, is it okay to say my phone is on the charger?
Yes, that's natural. It means your phone is connected and charging.
Great. Then I can keep getting ready.
Exactly. You stay calm and continue. Okay, now let's go to the end of the morning, leaving home and commuting. Okay, Mark, now you are ready to leave home. What do you do right before you leave?
I check my phone again.
Again. Good. What do you check?
I check my calendar. And I check my messages. Is calendar okay? Or do I say schedule?
Both are okay. Calendar is the app. Schedule is your plan for the day. Example, my schedule is busy.
Oh, nice. My schedule is busy.
Yes.
Lucy, do I say I have a meeting or I have meeting?
Say a meeting. I have a meeting at 9.
I have a meeting at 9.
Great. Do you use Maps in the morning?
Yes, I use Maps. Can I say I use the Map app?
Yes. Map app or Maps app. Why do you use it?
Because of traffic and because I don't want to get lost.
Good. I don't want to get lost.
Is it correct to say I don't want to be late?
Yes, very common. Now let's do a role play.
Okay, I like role play.
Situation. We are leaving home. Your phone battery is low. You need to go now.
Oh no, that is real life.
Ready? I start.
Ready.
Hey Mark, are you ready to go?
Almost. But my battery is low.
Oh no, how low is it?
It's at 5%.
5%. That is very low.
Yes, my phone is almost dead.
Do you have your charger?
Yes, but I don't have time. What can I say here? I don't have time to charge.
Yes. I don't have time to charge my phone.
I don't have time to charge my phone.
Good job. Okay, what do you do?
I take my charger with me. Is it okay to say I take it with me?
Yes, very useful. I take it with me means you bring it. Small teaching. Take is from here to there. Example, I take my keys. I take my bag.
Oh, nice. I take my keys. I take my bag.
Yes?
And if I forget, can I say I forgot my charger?
Yes, past simple. I forgot my charger.
I forgot my charger. That hurts.
A little pain, yes. Friendly pain.
Lucy, can I say I will charge later?
Yes. I'll charge it later. Or, I will charge my phone later.
I'll charge it later.
Great. Continue the role play. Okay, let's go. What's next?
I open my map app.
Good. What do you see?
I see a traffic alert. What is alert? Is it like a warning?
Yes, an alert is a warning or message. It tells you something important. Example: low battery alert.
Low battery alert. Yes.
Great.
The map says heavy traffic. Can I say there is traffic?
Yes, there is traffic, or traffic is bad.
Traffic is bad.
Good. Now your calendar sends a reminder.
A reminder. How do I say that? I got a reminder?
Yes, I got a reminder. Or, my calendar reminds me. Example: my calendar reminds me about my meeting.
My calendar reminds me about my meeting.
Perfect.
Then I message my coworker. Can I say I will be late?
Yes, and you can add a reason. Traffic is bad.
I will be late. Traffic is bad.
Excellent. Clear and real. Role play done. Good job.
Thank you. I feel more confident now. Lucy, can we do one more quick version?
Yes, short and simple. Are you ready?
Yes, but my battery is low.
Do you have your charger?
Yes, I take it with me.
Great. Let's go.
I check my map. Traffic is bad.
Okay, message me. I will be late.
I will be late.
Perfect.
That feels easy.
Yes, small sentences are powerful. Okay, now let's go to a viewer question and recap. Okay, viewer question time.
Yes, a real question from a real morning.
The question is, what do I say when my phone is low and I need to leave?
Good question. That happens a lot.
Here are simple answers. You can say, my battery is low.
Or, my phone is almost dead.
Yes, and I need my charger.
And I don't have time to charge.
Great.
Lucy, quick question. Is it okay to say my phone is dead for 1%?
Good question. For 1%, say almost dead. For 0%, say dead.
Got it. Almost dead, then dead.
Now a short recap. Start of the morning. Wake up early. Check your phone. Stop the alarm.
Middle of the morning. Get ready. Play music. Check the weather.
And we had the mini problem, low battery.
So we find the charger and plug in the phone.
End of the morning. Leave home. Check the calendar. Use maps. Send a message.
And stay calm, even with traffic, even with low battery.
Practice tip. One small routine. 5 minutes. Say 3 lines every morning. I wake up early. I check my phone. My battery's low, so I charge my phone.
Can learners change early to a time, like 6?
Yes, great idea. Example, I wake up at 6.
And can they add usually or sometimes?
Yes. I usually wake up at 6. Sometimes I wake up at 5:30.
Nice. That feels real.
Now your turn. Write this in the comments. I usually bras in the morning, but today I awan.
Yes. Keep it short. Keep it simple.
Good job for practicing with us today.
You did it, step by step.
Okay, we are almost done.
Yes. Nice work today.
Remember, simple English is enough. Small sentences help you feel calm.
And you can use this every morning.
If you liked this practice, please like and subscribe.
And come back tomorrow for more real-life English.
Practice 5 minutes a day, step by step.
And don't worry about mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are okay. Keep going.
See you next time.
Bye for now.